गोवा के माननीय राज्यपाल श्री सतपाल मलिक जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर सावंत जी, केंद्र सरकार के माननीय मंत्री श्री बाबुल सुप्रियो जी, यहाँ उपस्थित हमारे बीच श्री इलियाराजा जी, अन्य प्रतिष्ठित सभी फिल्मकारगण, माननीय सांसद श्रीमती रूपा गांगुली जी, श्री रवि किशन जी, यहाँ के सभी माननीय सांसदगण, माननीय उप मुख्यमंत्रीगण, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। Friends, I have the pleasure and privilege of welcoming His Excellency, the Governor of Goa, Shri Satpal Malik ji, the Honorable Chief Minister, who has been a pillar of support for this organization, Shri Pramod Sawant ji, Honorable Minister of State in the Government of India, and a well-known artist himself, Shri Babul Supriyo ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers of Goa, Shri Manohar Agaonkar ji and Shri Chandrakant Kavlikar ji, Honorable Members of Parliament, Ms. Rupa Ganguly and Shri Ravi Kishan. As I just mentioned, Shri Ilyaraja ji is with us, along with Shri Ramesh Sippi, Shri Rahul Ravel, Shri Saji Karun, the Chairman of the International Jury, Mr. John Daly, and the distinguished jury members, Vice Chairman of the Entertainment Society of Goa, Shri Subhash Phal Desai, my old friend and colleague, the Chief Secretary of Goa, Shri Parimal Rai ji, all the international and national dignitaries present here. The last 9 days have provided the cine enthusiasts the environment to celebrate and enjoy cinema. Today is the closing ceremony, and it is unique because, as the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, we will be having a special program through the creative eyes of eminent musician Shri Hariharan and Mr. Leslie Lewis, who will be performing as a part of Colonial Cousins. I feel elated to announce that this prestigious 50th edition of IFFI had more than 190 films screened from 76 different countries. There were more than 90 Indian premieres, 6 world premieres, and 11 Asian premieres. It's a matter of pride for the organizers that this year we had 24 Oscar submission films at IFFI. More than 12,000 delegates participated, which is also a record number, and I'm grateful to the Government of Goa and the Entertainment Society for making such elaborate arrangement on such a large scale that almost double the number of last year are participating this year. The 50th edition also had many firsts like Master Frames, Golden Peacock Retrospective, Restored Indian Classics, Soul of Asia, Konkani Film Package, and Retrospective of Indian New Wave Cinema. I am sure the event has been quite successful in bringing together the film enthusiasts all over the world, along with the well-known filmmakers, artists, and film critics. It will be our endeavor to have the 51st festival at an even larger scale. I may just mention that starting from the year 2020, Satyajit Ray, who was the legendary filmmaker of India, his centenary will be observed in 2020-21, and IFFI 2020 and 21 will be focusing on that. With these words, I once again welcome all of you. Namaskar, Jai Hind.